The future isn't coming, it's already here. By 2025, technology will leap further than ever, rewiring how we live, think, and connect. From AI robots walking among us to 6G's smart grid of everything, the next wave of innovation will blow your mind. Get ready, this is Tech in 2025. Let's start with the game changer, 6G, the smart grid of everything. By 2025, the world will witness the dawn of 6G technology, a revolutionary leap beyond 5G that promises to transform connectivity into an intelligent, omnipresent force. Unlike its predecessors, 6G won't just be about faster speeds. It will create a seamless, smart grid of everything, integrating wireless networks, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, in a unified ecosystem. What makes 6G different? While 5G brought us gigabit speeds and low latency, 6G aims to be 100 times faster, with near instantaneous response times, sub-multisecond latency. This will enable real-time holographic communication, ultra-precise remote surgeries, and immense augmented reality, AR, experiences that feel indistinguishable from the physical world. More importantly, 6G will act as the backbone of a hyper-connected society, where AI optimizes network traffic dynamically, and AOT devices, from smart cities to autonomous vehicles, operate in perfect sync. The AI-powered network. 6G won't just rely on human input, it will be self-aware. AI will manage network resources, predict congestion, and even repair issues autonomously. Imagine a traffic system that adjusts signals in real time based on AI analysts or factories where machines communicate flawlessly without human intervention. A truly connected world. The smart grid of everything means every device, sensor, and system will be interconnected, creating a digital nervous system for the planet. Energy grids will balance supply and demand autonomously. Drones will deliver goods via optimized routes, and environmental sensors will monitor climate changes with unprecedented accuracy. Challenges ahead. However, 6G's rollout won't be without hurdles, privacy concerns, cybersecurity risks, and the massive infrastructure required, including advanced satellites and terahertz frequency transmitters, pose significant challenges. Yet, if successful, 6G could redefine civilization's technological foundation by 2030. The future of connectivity isn't just coming, it's about to explode. Are you ready? Let's meet the mechanical companions of tomorrow. Humanoid robots and AI assistants. By 2025, humanoid robots will transition from lab experiments to real-world assistants, thanks to AI breakthroughs from companies like OpenAI, NVIDIA, and Tesla. These robots combine advanced mobility with artificial intelligence to perform tasks too dangerous, tedious, or complex for humans. Unlike traditional robots, humanoids are designed for human environments. With bipedal movement, dexterous hands, and AI-powered vision, they can navigate homes, factories, and public spaces while handling objects like people do. Tesla's Optimus can perform factory work, while startups like Figure AI are developing bots for retail and healthcare. The real magic lies in their AI brains. Powered by next-gen language models and computer vision, these robots understand speech, learn from demonstrations, and make real-time decisions. NVIDIA's robotics platforms are training them in virtual worlds before they enter ours. Challenges remain around cost, safety, and public acceptance. But as capabilities grow and prices fall, humanoids will become common in warehouses, hospitals, and eventually homes. They won't replace humans, but they'll work alongside us, handling everything from elder care to disaster response. The robotics revolution isn't coming. It's unfolding now. Within this decade, intersecting with humanoid assistants may become as normal as using a smartphone. The question isn't if these robots will integrate into society, but how quickly we will adapt to them. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe now to stay connected. Now, let's break the next chapter. Deepfakes and generative AI. The rapid advancement of generative AI has brought us to a pivotal moment where the line between real and synthetic media is vanishing. By 2025, these technologies will have evolved to produce flawlessly realistic images, videos, and audio that challenge our very perception of truth. What began as impressive technical demonstrations have now become sophisticated tools reshaping industries while simultaneously introducing complex ethical dilemmas. On the creative frontier, generative AI is revolutionizing content production. Filmmakers can generate entire scenes with virtual actors. Marketers create hyper-personalized advertisements in real time, and educators develop immersive historical recreations that bring the past to life. The entertainment industry stands transformed as AI-powered platforms enable anyone to produce professional-grade content with simple text prompts, democratizing media creation, but also disrupting traditional creative professions. However, this power comes with profound risks. The same technology that creates stunning digital art can also fabricate convincing evidence, manipulate political discourse, and enable sophisticated fraud. Deepfake scams have evolved beyond crude impersonations to perfect replications of voices and mannerisms, making fraudulent calls from family members or executives increasingly difficult to detect. In the political arena, synthetic media threatens to erode public trust as fabricated statements from world leaders can spark international incidents or sway elections. The response to these challenges has become a technological and societal priority. Detection systems can now employ advanced forensic analysis and blockchain verification, with new legislation attempts to establish accountability for malicious use. Perhaps most crucially, digital literacy initiatives are working to equip the public with critical thinking skills for this new era, where seeing is no longer believing. As we navigate 2025, the question isn't whether we can stop synthetic media, but how we'll adapt to a world where reality itself requires verification. Digital twins and virtual reality. Digital twins have evolved from static models to living, breathing replicas of our physical world, from factory equipment to entire cities. Powered by real-time data streams, these virtual counterparts now predict failures, optimize systems, and simulate outcomes before implementation. Industries are being transformed. Manufacturers test products in virtual environments. Smart cities optimize traffic flows through digital models, and surgeons practice complex procedures on exact replicas of patient anatomy. VR serves as the gateway to these simulations, letting engineers inspect infrastructure in immersive 3D or architects modify unbuilt structures with client feedback. Yet, challenges emerge as digital twins become smarter. They require vast amounts of sensitive data, making them targets for cyber attacks, while legal systems scramble to address liability in AI-driven simulations. The most groundbreaking advances merge digital twins with AI, enabling predictive maintenance in factories and cellular-level health monitoring in medicine. By 2025, we're not just using digital twins, we're redefining reality itself. Every major decision first plays out in simulation, blurring the line between physical and virtual. The mirror world isn't coming. It's already here. Enter the era of quantum computing, where the rules of classical logic give way to quantum possibility. Advances in quantum computing. Quantum computing has crossed a critical threshold, evolving from experimental research to practical problem solving. In 2025, these machines leverage the strange rules of quantum physics to tackle challenges impossible for traditional supercomputers, from drug discovery to financial modeling. Leading tech firms like IBM and Google have surpassed 1,000 qubit processors, achieving undeniable quantum advantage. Pharmaceutical companies now simulate molecular interactions in days rather than years, while Wall Street optimizes complex global portfolios using quantum algorithms. The most groundbreaking applications emerge in materials science, where quantum simulations could unlock room temperature superconductors, and in cryptography, where governments race to deploy quantum-resistant encryption before current standards become vulnerable. Despite progress, hurdles remain. Quantum systems still operate at near absolute zero temperatures, and error correction drains significant power. We're in the noisy intermediate scale quantum (NISQ) era. Machines are useful but not yet flawless. Cloud platforms now democratize access via quantum as a service, letting researchers worldwide experiment remotely. The implications are staggering. Quantum computing promises breakthroughs in climate science, AI, and logistics while forcing us to rethink computation itself. The revolution isn't on the horizon, it's already here, rewriting the rules of what computers can achieve. The future isn't ahead, it's already here. From 6G to quantum leaps, 2025 is set to change everything. The only question is, are you ready to keep up? Subscribe for more. The future waits for no one.